Oh no, not this again.
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern McIntosh County in southeastern Oklahoma, southern Muskogee County and east central Oklahoma, until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Council Hill, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Shakota, Warner, Purim, Webbers Falls, KIH, Rentisville, Wainwright. This includes Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 262 and 287. The storm has a history of producing large hail. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The current time